Hello, my name is Shani and I am from Sunshine and Munchkins, and I am so excited to be sharing with you the unboxing of the June 2023 mystery box with Expressions vinyl. I was so excited when they reached out to me and asked me to put together some exclusive patterns, SVG files, and complimentary vinyl to go along with all of that. So this month in your box, you will be getting a huge variety of different types of vinyl. We've got HTV, we've got adhesive, and like I mentioned, there is actually going to be 20 SVG files that I designed specifically to go along with the theme of this box, which I will give you a sneak peek of in just a minute. In addition, you will have blanks to go along with the vinyl that's all in this box. That means that once you get it delivered to your door, open it up and you can start crafting right away. So let me show you really quickly. This is a peek of what you will find, one of the patterns that is inside the box, but I'm so excited to show you everything else that's in there, so let's go. First up, we have our adhesive vinyl. You can see here, this is a list of all of the adhesive vinyl that is included in your box. If I scoot this up just a little closer, you can see that there are also suggested cut settings, whether you have a Cricut or a silhouette. So it will help out with that, although you definitely want to still do a test cut before you start in case, your blade is maybe a little bit dull or you're using a different kind of cutting machine. But I want to just show you each of what is included in the June mystery box for adhesive vinyl. So first up, this is one of the patterns that you got a sneak peek of before. This is the Popsicles pattern, and it's a really fun pattern for summer. My kids love popsicles. They're eating them all the time. And so, of course, I had to include popsicles in our summer themed box. The next pattern that I have here for you are these palms, and it feels so summery to me to have these. I'm thinking about relaxing by the pool or on the beach, and there's bound to be some palm trees nearby, whether they're fake or real. And then the last one that I designed here, I'm calling it the Beach Ombre. And you can see there's just a variety of different things that represent summer and going to the beach or going to the pool. And it's a really fun ombre. You can see how it fades from this lighter blue down to this darker blue at the bottom. So that is a really fun one as well. To coordinate with each one of these are the different types of vinyl that I have chosen. We've got these really bright, fun summer colors. Like I said, they all coordinate really well with what is included in the patterns in your box. We do have some basic white and then the glitter, which for me is always just adds that extra special something. So that is what we've got in terms of the adhesive bunch of vinyl that you'll be receiving in your June mystery box. I also want to show you the blanks that go along with the adhesive vinyl. These are two of the projects that we will be making. One of them is this cute little cute little vinyl bag. It's got the really cute yellow color here to accent it with the piping and the zipper. So I've got some fun ideas for that. And then this is a small cutting board, and this is actually going to be double-sided. So don't want to waste a designable side, right? We're going to be making the most out of these two fun blanks right here. Okay, now I want to show you what we have in terms of our HTV vinyl. So just like the adhesive vinyl, we've got the different types of vinyl that are included that fall into this HTV category. Again, the same information, however, because it's HTV, you've got some additional instructions here as well. So that will help you out as we move along in the projects. So with this one, we've got two of the patterns that I designed. So the palms and the beach ombre. And then we've got 4 different colors of the glitter. And I am just in love with each of these. Like, they shimmer, they're so pretty. And I think this yellow might be my favorite, but you'll have to let me know which one is your favorite out of these glitter. The blank that is included to go with your HTV is this really cute pennant banner. So let me open this up a little bit so you can kind of see what we've got going here. But it's this pennant banner, and we are going to be ironing on some things in here. It's actually a really good sized banner. You can see there's a lot of these pennants on here, and so we're going to be able to do a lot with this. You can customize it however you want in terms of what you decide to put on it, and I'm going to be sharing some examples of what I am putting on ours. Are you getting so excited to receive your June mystery box? I'm excited for you. I just want to show you really quickly again. Look at all this. I can't even hardly hold this all in my hand. Look at all of this vinyl that you get. It's so amazing. You get 5 sheets of pattern vinyl. You get 7 sheets of the glitter vinyl. Everything's coordinating. Plus, you're going to get the 20 free SVG files that all go together with this awesome vinyl and the theme of our box. And you get blanks. You are going to be ready to go when this box hits your doorstep. It's going to be so much fun. I've got tutorials that I have put together for you so that you'll be able to follow along, really get your creative juices flowing, and this is going to be a fun summer because crafting is involved. So why wouldn't it be an amazing summer, right? So I'm so excited for you to join me, and I hope you have a great day.